Innovation's important for facilities, especially from our perspective as a contractor, because it gives us the ability to react much faster, because as they're innovating and bringing in new technology, we're getting more information, we're getting more data, and we can react faster, we can make better decisions and help guide the customer much more efficiently. CrossnoKaye has helped simplify maintenance and operations for a lot of the groups that we manage because it gives us more information and it allows us to show up on site and be prepared, or it allows us to access a site and understand what's going on and provide advice and consulting to a customer without actually having to physically be present on the premises. I think really one of the things that I'm seeing CrossnoKaye and the value they're delivering to our clients is just giving them a better picture of their portfolio. And I'm really excited for what's to come on some of the new innovations that they're working with, because I think it's going to even broaden that and bring that data to where we can look at a portfolio and make decisions across at the portfolio level and help those customers make those decisions as a contractor. So looking forward, the thing I'm most excited about is the pace of change. So when I look at where we've come from in just the last couple years and what we saw this year at the summit, I'm just shocked at how quickly it's progressing, how quickly it's changing, and I'm excited. What is it going to look like next year when we show up?